Rapela pula ya medupi e ne ka matlhogonolo. Rapela pula ya medupi e ne ka matlhogonolo. Go le uba go le shakere re tlhoka matlhogonolo. Rapela pula ya medupi e ne ka matlhogonolo. Pula ya medupi ne ka matlhogonolo. Go le shakere go le uba re tlhoka matlhogonolo.
I'm literally making it rain with wearing papers off my hands. I've been scrubbing empty tables, praying hard for these dreams to come to life. I've been boxing with God, trying to bring him to life. He said your time ain't now, but that was 10 years back. I always check my back. I know these demons out here seeking for the fallen. They all want your soul, blinded by material. Where the love had gone, where the people had gone, where the spirit had lost in this quest for that nice life. Living these dreams, I stuck my head inside this hole and all I saw was hell. Souls screaming out for lives, damn, for their lives, damn. But that is nothing different. Hyena pula, that's blessings coming down on me. Yeah, the light I see with my eyes wide open, let it rain. You're my first rhyme, that's just when I hit it. And I know that it was time. I was blowing papers out in Botswana, having a good time. So I was feeling kinda freaky, have a good time. Trying to switch it back to where it came from. Ain't nobody know that. They'll cool it dropping 360 in the game like
Rapela pula ya medupi e ne ka matlhogonolo. Go le uba go le shakere re tlhoka matlhogonolo. Rapela pula ya medupi e ne ka matlhogonolo. Go le shakere go le uba re tlhoka matlhogonolo. Rapela pula ya medupi e ne ka matlhogonolo. Go le shakere go le uba re tlhoka matlhogonolo.